Hey you guys, it's Daniel from filmora.io. One of the most effective ways you can get people to click on your YouTube video is by having an effective thumbnail image. But what makes an effective thumbnail? And how do you even go about bringing everything in your video together into one still image? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 4 things you'll need to have in your YouTube thumbnail images to get your video more clicks. In one of our past videos from our travel series, Justin talked about what it means to get coverage as it relates to video creation.
And what coverage is the same subject, filming the same subject but from multiple angles. So this means that I'm going to get a wide shot, a medium shot, and a close-up of the same subject, just to show a little bit of diversity of the environment. And this will help your audience really get captivated of where you are and actually feel like they're there too.
Similarly, when it comes to thumbnails, coverage is something you can achieve as well. But instead of including a wide shot, a medium shot, and a close-up as you would in film, you'll need to include a variety of elements in one still image. In order to strategically cover the most important things in your video, you should include these top 4 essential elements in your thumbnail image. Number 1, your face. Unlike on Google, people expect to find more than just text and images when they're looking up information on YouTube. Many people want to watch a person deliver the content that they're looking for, and nothing says this content is delivered by a person quite like an image of a face does. By including your face in your video's thumbnail image, your video will be set apart from all those other impersonal, robot-voiced videos.
The Tsukiji fish market is a sprawling wholesale fish market with an array of seafood and
Number 2, establishing background. The background of your thumbnail image should do the same thing that a wide-angle shot does when you're shooting coverage in film. It shows a broad perspective of a scene. In film, if you're able to do this well, your audience should know right away, oh look, they're now in New York City during the day. Just like that. You want the background of your thumbnail image to instantly communicate to viewers that your video, overall, has the content that they're looking for. For gamers, that's as simple as showing a screenshot of your gameplay. Number 3, text. Next thing you want to add is text. But isn't that what your title is for? Yes, of course your title is written out in text, but that's not where most people's eyes are when they're on YouTube scanning for information. Because there's more information packed into a thumbnail image that we can pick up in an instant, that's where people are mostly looking. It's kind of like grocery shopping at a supermarket. People aren't mostly looking at the text on the price tags. No, they're mostly looking at the eye-catching grocery items. And guess what? There's still text on the packaging of most of these grocery items, even though the text is already there on the price tags. And in terms of text length, I'd say try to use 3 words or less. Number 4, a detailed close-up shot. Finally, if you still have some space in your thumbnail image, and adding another element is not going to crowd out number 1, 2, and 3, the next thing you want to add is a close-up shot of whatever is the highlight of your video. Let's suppose your video is about comparing the taste between packaged sushi from a convenience store and $300 fresh sushi. For this kind of video, you definitely should include a close-up shot of at least one of those sushis. And that's the top 4 elements you want to include in your thumbnail if you want good coverage that gets your videos more clicks. Next week, I'll go over some real-life examples of how we updated some of our old, ineffective thumbnails to our much more effective new ones. So check back, or if you haven't already yet, subscribe to our channel. Thanks.